let's start this market update giving you a zoom out chart. This is Bitcoin at the weekly chart, and here what we found. I just was charting this morning, okay, early in the morning, and then I found a bearish divergence on the daily chart in Bitcoin, which bearish divergence for you to know what it is. Okay, first educational, and it is when the RSI is making lower lows and the price is making higher lows, okay, higher highs, okay. So it was a little bit confused because you can see as down here the RSI comes down, all right, which is the real strength index. So let me get something to draw here to be the best for you. And in Russia, as you can see, the price drove down here in the last cycle, and we had the price moving up with a correction in the middle of it, all right. And the result, of course, that there was an end of cycle. I'm not calling for an end of cycle here, just telling you that the same pattern was happening here. Also, what happened over here, that's the same bearish divergence, price going up, a correction happened here. So what it tells us, I'm not calling you for an end of cycle over here or any apocalypse thing, but just be mindful that bearish divergences bring sometimes corrections in Bitcoin as well as anywhere. And then just be mindful that you can have a bit of correction, especially till January. Now we are in the end of the year, the market hasn't usually people are off and you have that low liquidity, okay, that always happen. And that's not maybe it's not a big deal, okay, if you get inflows in January with Trump, we have a lot of good things happening, but just be mindful that there is a possibility of a drop over here, okay. One more thing that I would like to tell you how bearish divergence works. You can see Tau, yeah, over here. That's another asset. Now it's Tau, all right. Let me go to the daily. All right, in the daily here we had the same bearish divergence happening. All right, price moving upwards. All right, the trend line is not that good, but it's supposed to be quick. And here the RSI moving down. So the result was, of course, a drop over here. Okay, and then this is a bearish divergence, which when we have a bullish divergence is the opposite. Okay, so the RSI will move up while the price is a bit down, so it's a good reversal sign. And yes, but as I told you, we have to put every piece together. We are in the end of year. We have Christmas, which is, for some people are not important, but for some are. Usually, you have people going to traveling, and of course, you don't have everything work as it is usual. So we gotta be careful in this way to make any prediction over here. That's why be mindful of it, and that's what I want to bring to you around Bitcoin. What we can see here in Bitcoin dominance, all right, we had this uptrend line for 3 years. We broke down, everybody thought, okay, now it's our time, altcoins will come, and now we are officially back to the channel. Okay, let me see in the weekly chart. We are we are closing above, all right, we closed above. So we are officially back into the channel. It was just a dream time, all right, just a chilling time for everyone to dream about their altcoins getting parabolic. But it's not I'm not the bearish knight here, okay. I wanna just tell you that corrections happen in a bull market. Don't want to give you fear or something like this, but the idea here is to give you an update about what was happening and how can you position yourself. All right. My idea is to stay liquid. All right, stay liquid. That's the best thing. If you have any doubt in any position, stay liquid always, because opportunities you always get. And there is one coin here that it's calling attention a lot, which is SUI. SUI, it's been in a good uptrend. All right, I think it's stronger than Solana at the moment. What we got here as well in the daily chart is also a bearish divergence on it, which is not bad, but I want you to see the whole thing over here. Okay, we have SUI, which is making parabolic moves, is one of the strongest coins right now in the market. As we can see here in the chart, it made a first all-time high at the launch. Okay, $3 in the red line over here, the pink line if you prefer, and then we got that correction which always happen, round bottom, right? Round bottom again, $1 and $2.21 reached. After that, a massive correction again. All right, another opportunity, went to 50 cents, and from 50 cents here we got to, since August, it made almost 10 times. Yeah, 10x here if you sold bought the bottom, sold the top, which it's a bit impossible, but yes, 10x for you. And I think there is a lot of potential in those coins. Always when a coin stand out like this, in my point of view, something that you need to look at, you need to be in when you have a trend like this. It is not, SUI is not in the top 10 yet, and there is a lot of things. This area of $3 here, if we ever get it again over here, it's a gift. So I think you have a lot of buying pressure at this point of $3, because when you get to those coins, they can move up really quick. They can do its own move really quick, and that's one that I want to bring to you over here. It's been so good since there, and yeah, I think it's gonna be one of the good place this market, and I will keep an eye even for the next cycle, because I think that can have. I'm not calling for a Solana run, but there is a possibility here. We really have a possibility here with SUI. So yeah, that's the market update. Quick video for today, and yeah, that's it. Have a good one. Merry Christmas, whatever, and have a good end of the year. Although I will post more videos, but enjoy wherever you are.